This is a 4x4 air seals video on how to fit our 4x4 air seals intake pipe repair kit. Now, if you've ever tried to remove an Hitachi OEM compressor from a Range Rover Sport or a Discovery 3.4, sometimes these two pipes are seized. Normally you would push the collets in and pull each pipe out, but sometimes they're completely seized and there's no way you can get them off. So what you have to do, you have to hacksaw the pipes off flush with the collet faces, and then you've got to remove the remnants of the two pipes from each port. Just for demonstration purposes, this one's obviously had some issues. This one's got the original pipe. So normally, if these have been cut off, I would router the bits out inside with a Dremel, and this particular port I would use like a 7.5 drill and just basically drill all the old collet out from inside. You've got to make sure that there's absolutely nothing inside of these two ports from the previous pipe work. Make sure they're absolutely spotless. Remove any bits of brass, any old O-rings. You've got to remove all the fragments. The next thing you do is you get our repair kit. In our repair kit there are two taps, 1/8 BSP and 1/4 BSP. We need to tap out these two holes. Now, the original OEM compressor, you don't have to tap and drill the sizes. The sizes as they are quite sufficient. So you get your 1/8 BSP tap from the kit, and you place it in a tap wrench like so. Now you've got to make sure that when you're tapping these out, they're very square. It's important, so take all the time you can to make sure that you tap the holes out square. So the first one is the 1/8 BSP, and you just basically just tighten that up. This is just for demonstration purposes, you know. So basically, once the tap starts, you then tap the port out like so. You can sort of go in about 1/2 inch, really, to be safe. Sometimes the housing port unscrews, but you can just put a tap wrench on it, and then just basically blow the dust out. Ideally, you'll carry out this process as the first task, and then obviously when you're replacing the piston seals, you can blow out any remnants of dust from this process. Like you say, you need to do this process and then replace the piston seals after, so it gives you a chance to clear all the dust. So the next one is the 1/4 BSP tap. So we place our 1/4 BSP tap from the kit into our tap wrench. And basically you start that off. Blow out all the bits. Always make sure you're wearing eye protection for this. And basically that's the two holes tapped out. Then you get your two fittings from the kit. Now what I tend to do, I tend to put a bit of silicone on the actual threads, and then you basically screw the new fitting into the cylinder port and tighten it up. Same with the 1/8. And that's the two fittings fitted basically. So in the kit you've got two pieces of polyurethane pipe, and you've got two of each 10mm to 10mm straight, 10mm to 10mm 90-degree elbow, and pipe obviously to connect back up to the two pipes that's been cut. Now generally, if they've been cut flush, the two pipes on the vehicle, you would only possibly need to cut a piece of each of this pipe inside so it sticks out about half inch, and then you push on the 90-degree elbows on each of the fittings, and then the pipes that are coming down from the vehicle you can basically push into the top of each 90-degree. But we also include some straights, and we include a little bit more pipe for any eventuality you may have. Now once the pipes are being connected back up onto the vehicle, you've got to make sure that there are no kinks or flat spots, or restrictions either in the ports or any restrictions going up into the vehicle. Make sure you blow out the two pipes going up into the vehicle, just to make sure they're not blocked. But yeah, that's basically it. That is our intake pipe repair kit, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, 4x4 Air Seals Technical. We have many other videos for the Hitachi OEM compressor. If you need any products, air suspension repair products, go to our eBay shop, 4x4 Air Seals, or our website www.4x4airseals.com. Thanks for watching.